Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning features on so the environment exists. Enable Hyper-V and Windows Sandbox through control panel programs, turn Windows features on or off, or run the PowerShell command shown. Once done, restart the PC to load those components. Make sure your system is Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise Build 1903 or later, and that virtualization support, Intel VTX or AMD is enabled in BIOS/UEFI. Without it, the sandbox cannot run. Now you launch and use the sandbox like a temporary PC. Open Windows Sandbox from start. It boots a clean Windows instance quickly. Once running, copy files in or drag an installer to test it. This isolates changes. You can install software inside. The sandbox has network access but resets after closing, so it's ideal for one-off tests. Make sure to transfer only files you intend to inspect, because snapshots don't persist. When you're finished, close the window to discard everything. Finish by extracting any needed results before closing, because the sandbox discards everything on exit. If you need files out, copy them to the host via clipboard or mapped shares while the session is running. If Sandbox fails to start, stop and check that Hyper-V and virtualization are enabled, confirm your Windows build supports it, and inspect Event Viewer for service or driver errors. If you require persistence or snapshots, switch to a full virtual machine instead, because Sandbox is purposely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.